Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I got at the Sephora VIB sale. So currently the Sephora VIB sale is still going on. I'm going to leave all the information about the Sephora VIB sale down below for you guys if you guys are interested in shopping. But before we get started into that portion of the video, I do want to ask you guys, if you do like what you see throughout the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Then also don't forget to subscribe before you go if you do like what you saw. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, so I already did like disinfect everything, and I did put everything in a different bag, which is like right next to me, just because we are like throwing out all of the boxes and just wiping everything down, just being very safe. So I hope you guys are also taking that into consideration, just a little step of extra precaution here. But let's go ahead and check out what I got. So I stocked up on some items that I use, and I also stocked up on items that I just really wanted to try out. I always say the Sephora VIB sale is great for A, getting products that are really pricey that you've been eyeing for a really long time, B, trying out new products, and then C, stocking up on your favorites. Alright, so first thing here is a repurchase. This is the Dermalogica Active Moisturizer. I have super oily, acne prone skin. This works so well for me, and the tub actually lasts a really long time. It doesn't leave me greasy, it doesn't sit on top of my skin, it really sinks into my skin, leaves me very moisturized. I really do like this moisturizer. It is cruelty free and gluten free, and this, if you have oily skin, you need to go ahead and check this out because this is amazing. I feel like I mentioned this in my yearly favorites, and just like I use this every single time. This is the moisturizer that I use every single day. At nighttime I actually do switch out my moisturizer for more of a intense moisturizer. Next thing that I did get, this is actually a new purchase. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight Toner. I am actually so excited to go ahead and test this out. I saw that it was hydrating and it really helped with pores, and I feel like I need some extra hydration and I need some help with my pores, so I went ahead and got this. This is supposed to be really good. It is on the newer side, and I also feel like the packaging is like very sleek. Let me show you guys. This is what the bottle looks like, just very sleek. I really like it. It does have like a little bit of texture to it. I love the Glow Recipe line. I am currently using their Avocado Mask in the evening, and it is amazing. So when I saw that they came out with this, I was like, oh, they do skincare right. I need to go ahead and check this out. So one product that I really don't talk about often on my channel, which I know that I should, is SPF. You're supposed to use SPF every single day, and you apply SPF after you put on your moisturizer. So I went ahead and I picked up, this is a Tatcha Silk in Broad Spectrum SPF 35, and I actually have never used this, but I needed a new SPF, so I wanted to go ahead and test this out. This is supposed to keep you matte. I have super oily skin, so I wanted something that was going to keep me matte all day, and once I saw that this was like supposed to keep you matte all day, I was like, oh, your girl needs this. I am super oily, so I went ahead and I picked this up. Then I feel like a lot of the things that I got are like skincare. I feel like that was my focus because we are home. I'm not really wearing as much makeup. You guys could see today I did like a super like simple glam look, not really using a lot of makeup, so I wanted to really focus on my skin. So next up, this is a repurchase. It's just a different scent. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and this is an intense hydrator. This is amazing. I have the other scent, which is just like the original, and I really didn't care for the scent, but it did such amazing things for my skin. It made me super like hydrated. It helped with my eczema, all my dry patches. This was amazing. This is a body cream. Before I was just using this at night, but now that I'm home, I'm using it day and night, and my skin is literally loving it. It does feel a little bit thick, at least the one that I was using previously. I'll keep you guys posted to let you know if this one feels just as thick, so that's why I wasn't really using it during the day, like going to work. But I'm super excited to go ahead and test out another scent because apparently they're supposed to be really good. So super excited that I got this. Then I did stock up on my favorites, all of the Peace Out line. So I got the Peace Out Dark Spot. This is really good if you do have any dark pigmentation. You just have to be consistent with it, and it really does help to smooth over and get rid of that dark spot. Next up that I got is the Peace Out Acne Dark Spot. This is actually new. This is just a duo set, so it helps with acne and then also helps with dark spots. And then speaking of acne, I did go ahead and pick up another one of these. These are bomb. I cannot say that enough. If you have acne and it's underneath your skin, just go ahead, pop one of these on, then it's going to come to the surface and then there's going to be like a whitehead, and you take this off, you leave it on overnight, you take it off, and literally like it comes out, all that junk comes out, but it doesn't leave any like scarring or anything like that on your skin. So this is amazing. I feel like I talk about this brand so much on my channel. They have literally saved my skin. I love all of their products. Then I think this one is new. This is Peace Out Dullness. It's supposed to help brighten up your skin and just make your skin look like a little bit more lively. So this one is actually different. So the other ones are mostly like little stickers that you put on your face. This one is like a little pad. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this little guy right here, but it's just like a little pad that you do stick on your finger and then you wipe your face with it. So I'm excited to go ahead and test this out. I have used so many of their products and literally they have never done me wrong. Like, they're just amazing. And I feel like they also have something for every single skin concern. So if you have acne, they have one for acne. Dark spots, they have one for dark spots. They have one for wrinkles. They have one for pores. They literally have something for everybody, which I feel like is amazing. I've tried out a bunch of their stuff and I really do enjoy the Peace Out line. Next thing is actually a new purchase. This is the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Cream. I got mine in the shade Strawberry Dip. Honestly, I thought this was gonna be bigger. I don't know why I thought. I have her bronzer and her bronzer is like a pretty decent size. This I feel like it's like very small, but I'll go ahead and show you the color. It is just like such an itty bitty baby. I feel like the other one is definitely like this. It's definitely a lot bigger, but this is what the packaging looks like. Again, this is the shade Strawberry Dip and it does come with like a little baby mirror, but this is the color that I did get. It looks really pretty for like the spring and like summer and all that stuff, the upcoming months. So I'm super excited to test this out. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I have been like experimenting more with cream products and I kind of really like them. They look very natural, look very pretty on the skin, and I have super oily skin, like I said, like 10 times already, so I'm hoping that this is gonna last and like work really well for my skin. Usually I don't go for cream blushes, but Fenty always does it right, so it's like I gotta try it out. I usually go for cream bronzers, which another cream bronzer that I just got, this is just like a little mini itty bitty baby one. This is the Milk Makeup Bronzer. This is the matte bronzer stick, and this one is in the shade Baked. I just got the mini version of this. I feel like now I'm testing out a lot of like cream products, like I said, like the Tarte Sea Breeze. Oh my god, they are amazing, but this is just like a little itty bitty baby. It's just so adorable. And this is the color. So I heard this is really good. Although this is a mini size, I feel like cream products, I don't really need like a big full size, so I don't really mind that this is so small. I just felt the Fenty one was just smaller than her bronzer that I do have, the powder one. So two things that are actually new purchases. This is actually a recommendation from Babs Beauty. I love her. I'll leave her channel down below for you guys. But this is the Amika Bust Your Brush. I have the conditioner and then also the shampoo. You guys know we're in quarantine and can't see your hairdresser and it's killing me. Usually I do use blonde shampoo. I do use the shimmer lights. She was like raving about this and I was like, okay, I need to go ahead and try this out. I've been wanting to try these out for a really long time. This is just supposed to help cool your hair. So if you are blonde, sometimes I feel like I'm getting there. My hair kind of like changes colors after you don't really see your hairdresser for a while. I heard that these were amazing, that they really do help to make a difference in your hair. So I'm so excited to test these out. I love blonde shampoo. It makes such a difference. If you're blonde or have blonde highlights or anything like that and you notice your hair is turning a different color, please check out blonde shampoo. It is going to do amazing things for your hair and you're gonna fall in love. So super excited to go ahead and test these out. Then I actually did go ahead and pick up the Jouer Blush Bouquet. This one is in the shade Adore Me. It looked really pretty. I love blushes so darn much. So this is the packaging. I do have a Jouer powder that I actually use for bronzer and I'm like obsessed. It is one of my favorites. So I did get, again, the shade Adore Me, and you do get a mirror, but these are the colors. So they look like kind of blah. They could look very plain, but this is just such a pretty nice combination. I feel like I would use every single day and it just looks very wearable. Like, I am obsessed with the colors. They look so pretty, definitely up my alley. So I feel like for every single day this is a great blush duo, especially because those are my types of colors. So I'm excited to go ahead and test this out. So one eyeshadow palette that I did pick up is the ABH Amerezy palette. I have been eyeing this for a while and I was like, well, why not just go ahead and get it? It's 20% off. The packaging is beautiful. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. They are powdery but just so beautiful. Like, these colors are stunning. You could definitely do every single day looks. You could do fun pops of color with this. I feel like I have all of the ABH palettes except for Prism, but I needed this in my collection. It is just so beautiful, and I really think that ABH does eyeshadows right. So super excited to go ahead and test this out. So next up, I got the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. Oh my gosh, I heard that this was so good, kind of on par with my favorite Laneige lip sleeping mask. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I need to try this out. I love lip sleeping masks. I feel like my skin has been very dry because we are indoors, just the heat on and everything, because it is still like pretty cold in Jersey. I feel like my lips are getting a little dry, my skin's getting a little dry, so I wanted to go ahead and test out a new lip balm, and I heard this was really good. The only thing that I heard kind of sucked with this, so as I was saying, I feel like the only thing that I heard that kind of sucked with this was the packaging, because it is like a squeezy tube. If you squeeze it, then it's all going to come out. So I do know about that, so I hope it doesn't happen to me. Hopefully I don't squeeze it too hard. So I feel like if you know about that and you just are extra careful with it, then it should work pretty well. But I am super excited to test this out. I want to see if it lives up to my Laneige lip sleeping mask, because that one is OG. It is amazing. So I hope that this one is just as good. Then I went ahead and I picked up a new foundation. This is the Benefit Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation. I got mine in the shade 4. This is just a new stick foundation. This is supposed to be lightweight, medium to full coverage, and it's supposed to be waterproof and stay on all day. So when I heard waterproof and stay on all day, I was like, your girl needs this. This is what the packaging looks like. I think it's like a natural matte finish, and this is the color. So again, I got color 4. I feel like it should be a pretty good match on me. A little dark because I have not been self-tanning, but I feel like once I do self-tan a little bit, then it will definitely be my color, and I'm super excited. As of right now, it does blend out pretty smooth, so I'm excited to test this out. I actually do really like stick foundations. I feel like they're really easy. I love the Hourglass. I do love the Anastasia one, so I have a few, and I'm excited to see how this compares to the rest of them. So next up, this is actually new. This is the KIEHL'S Dermalogica Solutions Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. So one eye serum that I'm obsessed with is the Drunk Elephant one, but I wanted to go ahead and test out something different, so that's why I went ahead and I picked this up. This is supposed to be really, really good for deep, dark under eye circles, and I feel like I complain about that a lot in all of my videos, so I'm hoping that this kind of gives me a result. I know that the Drunk Elephant one is amazing, and that really, really does help my deep dark circles, so I want to see if this one does anything for my under eyes, and hopefully it can, because your girl needs some help, especially because I feel like I've been stuck inside, like stressed and not sleeping. I just like extra tired all the time, so I hope that this does help me out a little bit. And then last but not least, the last thing I got is the Drunk Elephant T.L.C. Sukari Baby Facial. This is what that looks like. It definitely is a pricier product. This one's like a mask, so you just leave it on for 20 minutes. You are supposed to feel like a little bit of tingling, but apparently this is supposed to really help just make your skin look so much better. It's supposed to help smooth everything over. It's supposed to be like a facial for your face, except you're not going out to get it. So when I saw this, I was like, my skin needs help. Again, I feel like I did a lot of skincare shopping. I really want my skin to be like on point, and because we're not wearing makeup or anything, I feel like this is a great time to do that. So I went ahead and picked this up. This was definitely a pricier purchase, but your girl needed it. She wanted to really experiment with her skin, like quarantine, so I'm super excited to go ahead and test that out. But that is it, guys. That is everything that I purchased. I know that I did purchase a lot, but a lot were like repurchases, fun purchases. Like, I'm super excited to test everything out. Again, I'm really focusing on my skincare this quarantine. I feel like it's a really great time to do masks and like steamers and like all that stuff. Just really focus on your skin and get yourself like feeling good and healthy, and just relaxing, because I feel like when I do some kind of skincare treatment, my mood instantly changes and I get 10 times more relaxed, and it's just great. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If there's anything you guys want a specific review on, a video on, definitely leave it down in the comments down below. I will definitely, I'm thinking, do like a full face of new makeup. I feel like that will definitely be a fun video for you guys to see. A lot of these products are going to be in it, but if you guys want any updated information, then definitely let me know. I will do that for you guys after I test it out for a little bit. But I hope that you guys are staying safe and doing very, very well. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and then also don't forget to subscribe before you go so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. But that is it, everyone. I hope that you guys are doing well and safe, and I will see you guys in a few days in my next video. Bye!